Chief, members of the jury, Professor Dr. Ghazala Gayas, Principal GDC Pampur, Dr. Masood Ahmed Malik, Principal Gandhi Memorial College Srinagar, Dr. Shabnam Ara, faculty from the Department of Sociology and Head, Amar Singh College. We also have with us jury for the painting competition, Arshad Soleh, art faculty of this institution, Rakesh Ji from the University of Kashmir, and their faculty from the different colleges of Kashmir division, participants and their students. Good afternoon and Assalamu Alaikum. Indeed, sir, this was a very thought-provoking session in which we had 3 competitions: the allocation contest, the painting competition and the slogan writing. As per your direction, sir, we had competitions in all the colleges of Kashmir division, which were followed by the district level competitions which were held in the district lead colleges across Kashmir division. And today, here in this auditorium, under your patronship, we are organizing this divisional level competition. I, at the very outset, express my deep gratitude to our esteemed chief guest and the patron of this program, Professor Sheikh Ejaz Bashir, Director Colleges, for leading us from the front with his visionary leadership and unwavering commitment in promoting all academic activities and also the socially relevant initiatives across all the division, across all the institutions of higher education in the UT of JNK.
Occasion, despite all the busy schedule, you are still here. It's a very big.
The circular that has been sent to all the colleges regarding road safety that I am going to discuss with you today, because that is most important for all of us. See, first of all, I would like to thank Professor Seemaji for inviting me for this important program. I would have loved that if our lead college principals would have been here, but then faculty, the students are here, faculty is here. I welcome you to this program, validation program. And what I am going to say today is very important. It's for all the colleges. I am speaking from this podium. First of all, we have to express our sorrow on the death of our young student, Anjali Chaudhary. She died due to a road accident recently. All of you must be aware about that. We were going on, our students were going on this picnic of a particular college in Jammu, and in a road accident she died. She was the only child of her parents. You can very well understand the tragedy that has befallen her family, and it's a collective tragedy for the higher education department. Now, having said that, what is important is that when we talk about road safety, everybody is talking about that. Awareness, a lot of things people are talking about. Implementation of rules, traffic management, that is the job of traffic people. That's the job of road safety department. What is our ownership? Our ownership is in terms of awareness and adherence to the rules. That is what is required from our side. And road safety department tells us continuously that please create the awareness and please ensure that people follow the rules. And with us, we have a very strong population of students, and they can carry this word to their homes also. Now, what road safety department is doing, they are doing these awareness campaigns across the platforms. In school education, in higher education, they are providing a huge budget for that also. And that budget has been given to our institutions also to create the awareness. But when we talk about this kind of a budget, this is an intervention by road safety department. That means it should have outcomes also. Outcomes in terms of numbers. I mean, just if there's an accident number for this year, next year it should fall. Because we have done certain programs, that will be the outcome of these programs. If it is on the rise, then we have not achieved our objective. So that is to be understood. If I was just googling the statistics of this road accidents in J&K. This is, I don't know how accurate the data is. It is saying 2023 में 899 deaths have occurred in J&K and 6,300 road accidents have happened. In 24, deaths have come down from 893 to 831. So that means it's a positive development. Deaths have come down, the number of accidents have come down. That means people have become more aware about it.
We are fully grateful for your existence and obviously for your guidance as well. Now it's the time to briefly walk through the details of today's event, which is being efficiently led under the guidance of Professor Ejaz Ahmed, Convener Road Safety Club, IEFC Srinagar. Thank you, Professor Daur, for the dedicated efforts and constant support. Now, I kindly request
Distinguished guests, respected jury members, faculty members and dear students. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all to this divisional level competition on road safety awareness being organized by Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges under the national theme Sadak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha, and this program is sponsored by Road Safety Council Jammu and Kashmir.
Jury member, after listening to voices from 10 different districts of Kashmir, I have come to realize that we need to stop somewhere. The students were wonderful in their presentations, their content, creativity, even the use of technology. They have adapted it to the level that it made us very.
To give my feedback about the event of which I was a part of the jury. But I don't think that I have anything more to say than what Professor Shaukat said, Dr. Shaukat said. I will simply say, as we sometimes when we're filling the documents, we say. So I'll say whatever his feedback about the event was, the same thing applies to the event of which I was a part of the jury. But I will, with permission of the ma'am, I will overstep my mandate and talk about something else, of course, related to the event.
Dear students, बाबा शेख फरीद का एक ने कहा है कि उठ फरीदा क्यों सुता चाड़ू दे मसीती तू सुता रब जागदा तेरे डारे नाल मसीती। इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर आप अपने लिए सिंसियर हैं तो रोड के लिए सिंसियर होंगे ही होंगे। अगर आप मेंटली डिस्टर्ब्ड हैं तो रोड के लिए डिस्टर्बेंस भी क्रिएट होगी। सबसे पहले ध्यान इंसान को अपने इमोशन पे देना है। अगर हम इमोशनली बैलेंस नहीं है so there is a possibility of lot of dangers we will get in the society. तो सर रिस्पेक्टेड सर, मैं मानता हूँ कि रोड सिर्फ इंसान के लिए, यहाँ पे जानवर भी है, स्पीशीज भी है. We should also care for them. Because
spreading awareness about today's theme, standing proud on this dais representing Government College for Women Nawakadal, this is Hadia Bint Roof. Respected audience, we are living in the 21st century where we have engineered vehicles that can think for us, roads that connect the furthest corners of our map yet.
Today, I stand before you not just as a participant of this elocution contest, but as a voice for those who can no longer speak, as a voice for the dreams that were crushed under the wheels of negligence.
Thousands of deaths, thousands of accidents are reported every year, with hundreds of lives lost. Most of these accidents do not happen by fate. They happen because of human mistakes. Overspeeding, reckless driving, drunk driving, using mobile phones while driving.
Respected Principal Ma'am, honorable jury members, respected teachers, and my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me tell you one thing. I myself have seen how families are destroyed. Just in this winter, I was in Jammu and हम जम्मू से वापस आ रहे थे घर की तरफ, तो हमारे साथ जम्मू की एक फैमिली वो श्रीनगर आ रहे थे. वहाँ पे अभी भैया था, अभी भाई ड्राइव कर रहा था. He was just 21 years old and उसके फैमिली मेंबर 4 उसके साथ थे, एक हमारे साथ आया. वो गाड़ी ड्राइव कर रहे थे. जस्ट ही हम बालियां के पास पहुंचे, एक एक्सीडेंट ऐसा हुआ, मेरी फैमिली, हम लोग 4 दिन तक नहीं सोए. That was only because of अभी भैया गाड़ी तेज चला रहा था. क्यों? क्योंकि वो यंग था. We all have seen आज यंगस्टर्स कैसे गाड़ियां चलाते हैं. मेरा खुद का फ्रेंड, मैं बाइक पे चढ़ता हूँ पीछे, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ भाई आराम से चला. वो बोलते हैं चल क्यों डरता है. Why? 80 की स्पीड से ज्यादा चलाते. 80.
One decision that suddenly changed everything. Greetings, respected judges, esteemed fellow students, esteemed guests, and my fellow students. I'm Malik Hazik representing Budgam. We keep hearing the same sentence after every accident. The driver lost control. Lost control or gave it away. Gave it away to ego. Gave it away to overconfidence. Gave it away to speed. Let's just stop calling these accidents, because an accident is something unavoidable, but driving at 120 in a 60 zone is completely avoidable. Ignoring safety again and again and again and again is avoidable. Racing at a red light is completely avoidable. Nobody overspeeds accidentally. Nobody. By the time we conclude this event, by the time we go home, by the time we have dinner and fall asleep, around 480 people in this country would have lost their lives on the road.
Not the silence of peace, but the silence of a phone call you never wanted to receive. That child never came home. Not because the world was cruel, but because someone, somewhere on that very road thought that their hurry mattered more than a human life. Greetings everyone. India records for 4.8 lakh road accidents every year and nearly 1.78 lakh people die. That means one life is lost every 3 minutes, and every 3 minutes we do not just lose a citizen, we lose someone's entire world. And the most of these are not unfortunate events, they are the direct result of someone breaking a rule they knew existed. Today
I am here not just for a speech but to question, to introspect, and to awaken this youth about their responsibilities. Dear students and faculty members, we may think that road safety, life preservation, sadak suraksha, जीवन रक्षा is just a simple theme here, right?
इनको इंस्ट्रक्शंस भी मिली।
अच्छा, आपने बताया इनको
इंस्ट्रक्शंस क्या करना है, एंड वी प्रोवाइडेड मटेरियल आल्सो फ्रॉम द कॉलेज। ये काम बहुत अच्छा करेंगे। इनके पास 1 घंटा है, 12:30 बजे तक करेंगे।
पहले बता दिया है ना कि टाइटल्स
इनको क्या पता
करें आराम से बैठ
करेंगे यूज, मतलब वही कलर्स जो बिल्कुल वाइब्रेंट हो, कैप्टिवेटिंग हो। और स्लोगन में क्या है कि लेटर्स बोल्ड होने चाहिए, यानी दूर से दिखना चाहिए, ये वो छोटा छोटा टेक्स्ट जैसा नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है। स्लोगन का मेन मकसद ये है कि पूरे पोस्टर पर आप सिर्फ स्लोगन इन बोल्ड लेटरिंग वो करेंगे। अगर आप सिग्नल्स के कलर्स भी यूज़ करेंगे जैसे येलो, रेड एंड ग्रीन, तो वो भी अच्छा है, वो भी एक सिंबल पैदा करेगा इसमें। तो बाकी आपको सब पता है, आपके पास 1 घंटा है।
ये इनके बहुत सब शूट्स होते हैं, उसका आप देख लीजिए।
हमारा बड़ा सिस्टमैटिक चलता है। मुझे खुशी आप जब आप लोगों का वो चीज़
जिसने बनाया वो हैंड ओवर करे, अपना रोल नंबर, नाम और कॉलेज का नाम लिखो। साढ़े अपना नाम लिखो।
You presented your content, you showed what you are capable of doing. That's a great thing. From GDC Boys Pulwama, it's Mr. Mohsin Ahmed from GDC Boys. Next from GDC Kilam, it's Shima. Simran, please receive your certificate of appreciation. Baramulla, GDC Baramulla has rocked today. Can we expect an honor? Yes. Himayun Mushtaq from Sheikh Himayun Memorial Degree College, Anantnag. Now it's time for the poster making of the Naveed Iqbal Singh. Naveed Iqbal from GDC Gulgam receiving the certificate of appreciation. इनकी पोस्टर अफजाई के लिए it is Javed Ahmed Ganai from GDC Shopian. This is Farkhanda Riyaz from Government Degree College Bandipura. Zordar position from our chief guest. Now in the category of slogan writing, the certificate of appreciation to Venikul Muktoon. After Venikul, it is Tabassum Fayal, again GDC Badgam. GDC Badgam से आया हुआ शबीर अली Miss Ikramuddin from GDC Belgaum. After Ikra, it is GDC Shopian से आया हुआ मोहम्मद नबी. उत्तर सूसे ओएस अहमद कुमार, जोरदार तालियां ओएस के लिए. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो ओएस आपको बांडीपुरा. Now it is the time to felicitate. So we'll move to the third question. Tahsina Riyaz, has she come? Ahmad Khan, yes, not okay. Tariq Ahmad Wagin, has he come today? Okay. So Raja Wasim, if he the victorious and additionally performed recently at the next performance held at the Muslim College. Professor Dr. Ghazala Gaya, Principal GDC Pampo, receiving the certificate of appreciation for the certificate. Big round of applause for Mr. Rakesh Kumar, Professor Rakesh Kumar from Department of Finance. Please, Mr. Narsis Malekere, who used to be a man of magic, now an emerging teacher, more than a best Gandhi Memorial College trainer. Professor Dr. Masudam Ali Saab receiving the certificate. Dr. Shabnam Ara. And after Shabnam ma'am, it is Professor Shabana Manzoor, Program Officer of Unit 2. We'll go with the allocation contest. The third position in the allocation contest has backed by Majid Hassan Khan from GDC. So the people who have bagged the positions, they will be additionally awarded with the cash prize. And for the cash prize, they need to submit their account details with the convener of Road Safety Club. So the cash prize. GDC Deva, Malik Azim Mohdi. Now it's the time. I think we can have a louder, right? Yes. All the best position category award in the poster making competition. You will please once again a huge round of applause for Kaisa Rahman. It is that girls have rocked in this category. So can I expect an extra round of applause? Yeah. This was for the category of poster making. जोरदार तालियां शिवा मसूद के लिए जोरदार तालियां from Gandhi Memorial College. Congratulations, Shiva. And the slogan writing category, Fakhrunisa has bagged the second position. Congratulations, Fakhrunisa.
Seatbelt tight, helmet near, return to those who care. That's your family.
A powerful slogan indeed. Once again, Fakhrunisa, congratulations. Now, for the first.
जी मेरा स्लोगन था वक्त रात फोनिज कहचाड़ और दूसरा था ड्राइवर्स बाम्बर जिंदगी छांबर तीसरा था बैड ड्राइविंग इज ए क्रूअल नाइफ विच कट्स रोड्स लाइफ थैंक यू
जिंदगी is छांबर. It was great. Once again, Uzma, बहुत मुबारक हो आपको.
Department, JNK, respected principal of the host college, Professor Dr. C. Manas, nodal principal Kashmir Division Colleges, revered principals of other colleges, Professor Dr. Ghazala Gayas, Principal GDC Pampur, Professor Dr. Masood Malik, Principal Gandhi Memorial College, Srinagar, esteemed jury members, faculty members, participants from other colleges, and my dear students, Assalamu Alaikum. As we conclude this enlightening valedictory function of Road Safety Animal Action Plan, organized by Nodal Principal Kashmir Division Colleges and sponsored by State Road Safety Council J&K, with great honor and privilege, I, Dr. Irfat Ara Khan, Head Department of Psychology and a member of the said committee, take the opportunity to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the organizers.